Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can unlike all of your liked videos at TikTok. So at first go to your TikTok profile, then tap on these three bars and then go to settings and privacy. From there scroll down until you see report a problem and then scroll down until you see follow likes and comments. Tap on likes and then go to other and then click on need more help. Type here, hey TikTok, I have a lot of liked videos. Please help me unliking all of them at once. I want no liked videos. Thank you. And within 24 hours, your account will be reviewed and you'll see that all of them have been unliked. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.